Hello everyone, my name is Shefali Chaudhary and I am from Jammu and Kashmir. Recently, I completed my diploma in cybersecurity and ethical hacking from Global Institute of Cybersecurity. Last week, I qualified DH version 13 exam with 90% and my experience at Global Institute has been so amazing. The trainers helped us a lot during my preparatory journey. Vishal sir, Prakash sir and Ishan sir, they helped us a lot. So I learned Linux, CCNA, networking, some programming languages like Python, Java, C, C++. Labs, well settled lab structures, infrastructures are there. Institute of Cybersecurity and Ethical Hacking. My experience was so smooth. I had 1-year diploma in cybersecurity and ethical hacking where I studied CH. My main focus is CH, includes 20 modules: ethical hacking, system hacking, enumeration, DOS attack, DDoS, and several other parts. So my journey was so good here. Everyone helped us a lot. The teachers, the trainers, they are well qualified, well certified. I had a great experience. Thank you.